Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is covering deaths caused by suicide by quarter. So we've got data going back to 2001 to 2022, so a very long period, 11,500 rows of data, and these are the tables we have. And I've queried them so we can have a look inside. So first of all, age, standardized rate by gender and region. So you can see the data there and the gender and the measures. Age standardized rate by gender. You can see that there. Deaths by age group and gender. Deaths by gender and coroner's conclusion. There's the different conclusions. Median registration delays by area. And apologies, this one. Oh yes, notes. If I just go back to the other ones, you notice that some of these tables, they have a notes column, like this one here does. And you can understand what those notes mean by looking at this table. So that's that. Thank you very much.